Welcome to this Apploye tutorial on how to use the payroll feature. Let's get started. To set up payroll, make sure each employee has an hourly rate defined. You can do this by going to the members page and checking if they have an hourly rate. If they don't have an hourly rate, click on Set Pay Rate or click on the Actions drop-down menu and then go to Edit Member. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page and enter the hourly rate in the Pay Rate section and click on the Save button. Once everything is set, navigate to the Payroll tab from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see the list of your team members, along with their total payable hours and amount. If you can't see it, it's likely that your timesheet approval is turned on. You will need to approve the timesheets before calculating the payroll. Go to Timesheets and then Approval to approve the timesheets and send them to the payroll. Select a member and click on the Approve button, or click on Approve All to approve all of them. Let's go back to the payroll page. Now, you can filter the payroll by projects and date range. You can also filter it by selecting a member. After reviewing, you can click on Mark All as Paid to pay everyone at once, or click on the check mark on the left side to pay separately. Now you can go to the History tab to view the processed payroll. To send a one-time payment, go to Send Fixed Amount. Select a member and enter the amount, and write a note to keep a record of the payment. Now, click on Send Payment to send an email to the employee about his payment. Please keep in mind that Apploye does not pay money directly to employees' bank accounts. Right now, payroll is mainly for documentation purposes. Employees will get an email about being marked as paid and the payment amount. Let's go back to the hourly payment section. Before marking them as paid, you can also download the payroll. Click on the Download button at the right to export the payroll report. Choose the desired time format and click on the CSV button. Payroll will be downloaded.